Hi, welcome to Quinn's RC once again. About 6 weeks ago, FairRC had a live stream, and on that live stream, they were selling $1.99 mystery boxes. Well, they've been keeping me busy, FairRC that is, unboxing mods for them. I did a K5 Highway Patrol unboxing. I'll put a banner there and links to the website below. And then after that, they had the Way Cool McHugh sent to me, and I did an unboxing for that one as well. This is pretty special. It's a collaboration between FairRC, traxxas, and William McHugh, who's a really great parts maker. He makes 3D parts. This bumper on the back here was made by William, and you can't see it in here, but there's also an interior. So that's a really cool truck. The unboxing on FairRC is up there. If you want to buy one, I'll put a link in the description below. So this sat here for about a month. Let's open it up and see what I got. Okay. Looks like a 10th scale barrel. Cool. Oh yes. Look at that. These are high clearance links for the CR18P. I think that this is worth like $23 or $21, something like that. I think I'm going to put that, I have the harvester here, on the harvester. Oops, knocked over my barrel. Roof light buckets. I think these are off a K5. Cool. Jurassic Michigan sticker set. I have over here on the floor, just a second. I keep this because I like it so much on my desk sometimes. Look at this thing. This is what those stickers are for. This is the Michigan Dino Fari. I'm meaning to do a complete video on this, but haven't quite had a chance yet. Look at the weathering on this. I'll put a link to this one too, so you can check it out in the description below, but this thing is just amazing. So nice. Okay, sorry. I digress. What else have we got here? A $20 gift card. Nice. We got a couple of FairRC pens. A notebook, so we can take notes, maybe write some scripts. I should try that sometime, writing it out. And a FairRC t-shirt. That is awesome. Look at what we got for $1.99, $2. The links and the gift card themselves are worth over $40. How cool. That's awesome. Now I know I'm going to be upfront. FairRC does send me stuff to review. But if you get on their live streams, go subscribe, ring the bell so you see when they're having them. They give away great prizes, and they're going to be doing more mystery boxes, I think. That's what I've heard. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell on mine too. I got lots of stuff coming up. I think I'll put these on the harvester. I think I have a way to get the lights set up for this that'll be very easy and cost like $7 or something like that with a light kit that's on FairRC's website. So I'm going to be doing that shortly. Lots of other stuff. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.